Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need a browser that can play audio in background. Install Chrome, Firefox, or Brave if you don't have one. Open YouTube inside the browser, search the video or playlist, and tap play. Once playback starts, switch the browser to desktop site mode. This tricks the site into allowing background audio. Make sure audio is audible and the video is running. Do not close the tab. Locking the screen now will be the next step, so prepare to move quickly. Once the video plays in desktop mode, lock your phone. Many browsers keep audio running when the screen is off. If playback stops when you lock, wake the device and swipe down to access notifications or control center, then press play to resume without reopening the app. Make sure the browser has permission for background activity and that your phone's battery optimizer isn't killing it. Disable aggressive battery saver for that browser. These adjustments keep audio stable while the screen is off. To complete the process, connect headphones or Bluetooth and lock the screen. Audio should continue playing. If it cuts out, wake the phone and toggle desktop site mode or reopen the same tab and hit play. Often that quick reset restores background audio. Make sure the browser isn't being closed by memory saver. As a reliable long-term solution, consider YouTube Premium for official background play. If you still have issues, check that system-level battery optimization is disabled for your browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.